How to use GarageBand for beginners. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open GarageBand application. Now here in the first page you will see the option of new project at the top left corner. Click on it and choose the type of project you want to edit in this application. Here I have simply chosen podcast. After that, you will see this complicated settings on your screen. To make the screen less complicated and edit your audio, go to track at the top. From the menu, go to hide podcast track. After that, you will see less complicated features on your screen. Then after, go to controls at the top and make sure ducking is turned off. After that, once you are done with editing your audio, simply click on it and export it. You will see the option of download on your left hand side. Now once the voice has been downloaded, you will see it in a different track. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.